Hi everyone, we're the team GonGonG. In this video, we would like to introduce our team and also the main product we designed for this Conrad challenge, Sea Pac-Man. GonGonG is a company that focusing on marine environment protection. We use the name of God of Water in ancient Chinese mythology to name our company. We hope this name can bring good luck both to us and our environment. GonGonG aims to develop technology that helps the ocean to get rid of debris, especially plastics. The main goal of our company is to bring the blue clean ocean in old times back. Currently, we have 4 members in our team. First is our major technician, David Lai. Then is the responsible person for environment policy section, Jimmy Lin. After that is our risk assessor, Carolina Tian. And finally, our team captain, who's in charge of the business part, Serena Lee.
We all come from Shenzhen, China, and studied in the Basis International School, Parkland Harbor as 11th graders. Since both our city and our school are located near the sea, 4 of us all have a sense of caring and responsibility for the ocean. This raised up our concern over marine environmental problems and at the same time brought us together. Nowadays, marine environmental problems are becoming more and more serious, and bringing up some effective solution has become an urgency. And the most intense part of the marine issue is the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a severe threat to both the world's waterways and accessible water resource. About 6.3 billion tons of plastics have been discarded since mass production began in 1950s. In the past 2020, more than 380 million tons of plastic have been produced worldwide, and 3% of them, nearly 10 million tons, have made their way to the ocean. This rising amount of plastic in the environment negatively impacts both the survival of aquatic wildlife and the public health.
But what can we do to alleviate this issue? Therefore, we come up with this brilliant idea, the Sea Pac-Man.
A sailboat or yacht can tie 2 Sea Pac-Man on its side. The Sea Pac-Man will be half floating on the sea and half drowning into the water, as shown in the picture. There are 4 water wheels, each with 4 blades, located at the threshold of the device, and each blade is about 20 centimeters long. When the ship moves forward, the boat will push the water flow aside, which starts up the blade and eventually cause the water wheel to spin. The spinning of water wheel will create a vortex that could draw the small garbage nearby into the Sea Pac-Man. The blade will also prevent the garbage from leaving the device as the ship stops. The Sea Pac-Man is attached by a retractable hydraulic cylinder handle and has a 1 meter diameter. The net inside is designed for garbage collection. It will be much easier for people to clean the Sea Pac-Man with this net. There are also holes at the device bottom shell that enable the water to leave when people try to lift the Sea Pac-Man back to the ship. With less water, the weight of it will decrease, therefore making it easier for the collection.
3 existing strong competitors. However, we believe that Sea Pac-Man has some advantages over them. Ocean Cleanup System 2, Jenny, is a large system that is placed in the middle of the Great Pacific Ocean. It is 800 meters long and it costs more than $20 million to build that one system. Compared to that, Sea Pac-Man has way more lower costs. The second one is Mr. Trash Wheel. It is a big vessel that intercepts trash that requires a blend of solar and hydropower to function. Sea Pac-Man only requires little amount of water flow power and is easier to use widely. Sea Bin is an ocean skimmer that needs to be installed on floating pontoons, so you can only collect debris near the docks, where Sea Pac-Man collects debris everywhere the boats go to. Therefore, right now in the general water plastic collection market, there is no competitor that has the same aiming and has advantage over Sea Pac-Man. We can proudly say that we are unique.
Our funding sources will be diverse. For this product, we will basically use 4 funding sources. About the public funding source, we will set our goal primarily to government research and development grants. We plan to raise up $7,500 to $15,000 through this method. The other public source is the industrial fund, which will provide economic help to those companies that create value for environment protection. Same as a grant, we also designed to get about $15,000 from industrial funds. And then is the private funding source. We will mainly ask for economic help from angel investors who are interested in innovation that related to marine environment problems. At the same time, our families and friends will be put into consideration as a funding source. We also decide to collect $15,000 from each of the private sources too.
See Pac-Man is not our ending point. There are still more things that we can do. Our team hopes all the works we have done can make a difference and help to build a cleaner future. We sincerely welcome you to join us and contribute your ideas. We believe GonGonG will be the perfect place to start the first step towards marine protection.